Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how do you make a Google Docs. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Docs apps, and after this in here, if you wanna make a Google Doc, so you just click on the plus icon at the bottom. Just click on it, and after this in here, you just click on the documents, and in here you can write the documents like this. Maybe this is tutorial, and after this in here you can make the text to bold like this. You just block first, and after this in here you just click on the block, this one. Okay, like this. Or you can add to this icon like this, and after this in here you can click this one. Okay, and if you wanna change this color, so you just click on this plus, and after this in here you can search the text color. I wanna yellow like this, and after this in here you just go back and finish the text, change to yellow. And after this in here at the plus you can add the link, add the comments, add the image, add the table, add the horizontal line, break, page number, and footnote. So, and after this in here you just click on the check icon now. And after this in here you can change the name of the documents. You just double tap at the names, and in here you can rename maybe this tutorial like this, and after this in here you just click on the OK. Okay, the name has been changed, and in here you can go back and finish. So how do you make a Google Docs? I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.